Hello everyone, hope you all doing good. Akoy hujik dinner chaba chatli in a train team restaurant called Platform 65. Sigi mapham sida ko chaba thakpa singse train na puthorok toine ba. So I'm looking forward to it. Aigi hanagi video they mentioned tawzaki ko akoy lai mapham se city dagi kitang lape ba. So whenever we got to go out, it takes at least 45 minutes for us to reach the destination. Duna kitang wai ko mapan ta koy thok pa se. So finally we have reached the location. This is the place where we'll be having our dinner. Platform 65 hai pham se ko. Platform 65 ki branch mayam lai ko Hyderabad ta. And this is my second visit in the Kompally branch. Akoy ni yaw matam da ko miyam tilame. There was long waiting queue. So to kill the time, we decided to go for bowling, where Dodo had a gala time. She really enjoyed. Mapham sige ambience isu nungai ko. It was kids friendly. And we really had nice time while we were waiting for our seat for the food. So we all were pretty hungry, but thank God we had this bowling arena where we just killed the time. And you guys can see the ambience of the restaurant is train theme. Sida ko chagla am daida magi signal train ge signal se green color ge light activate orani ba, and the train will get the food. So you guys can see here Dodo was really excited when the train approached. So it was a nice experience for us cause she was happy. So guys, if you're visiting Hyderabad, you can try this restaurant, although the food is a bit spicy for me. Thank you for watching my video and take care everyone. Bye bye.